DJ's Preston Sports. We've just had this very rare, it's the Volvo XC60. It's the rare D5 diesel, all-wheel drive, automatic, R design, top of the range. As you can see, it's in lovely condition. It's just literally arrived. Full R design body styling kit, twin exhausts, D5 all-wheel drive. It's in lovely condition. Boots lovely. It's got the parcel shelf. It's got the lovely twin coloured R design interior, all in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors, R design embossed on the front seats. It's done 93,056 miles. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, 2 keys. Let's just get everything up. It's the facelift model, says touchscreen. There we go. We've got the satellite navigation, park distance control on the rear, Bluetooth control. Sounds absolutely lovely. And DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.